Raw diamonds are natural gemstones that form deep within the earth under extreme heat and pressure over billions of years. Unlike polished diamonds, raw diamonds have not been cut or shaped, so they often appear dull, rough, and irregular in form. Despite their unrefined look, they possess incredible hardness and unique crystal structures, making them one of the most valuable and fascinating minerals in the world. Raw diamonds are typically found in volcanic rocks such as kimberlite and require careful examination to distinguish them from other. Many people try simple home methods to check if a stone might be a real rough diamond. One of the most common and controversial methods is the scissor scratch test. In the image you shared, a rough transparent stone is being scratched with a metal scissor blade to see how it reacts. What is the scratch test? The scratch test is based on the principle of Mohs hardness scale, which measures how hard a material is. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth, ranking 10 tens on this scale. This means a real diamond can scratch almost any material. Very few materials can scratch a diamond. How the scissor test works. In this method, 1. You take a metal object, like scissors or a knife. Try to scratch the surface of the rough stone. 3. Observe the result. Possible results. If the stone gets scratched easily, it is not a diamond, likely glass or quartz. If the stone resists scratching, it might be a diamond, but this is not conclusive. Why this test is not reliable? Although simple, this method has serious limitations. Metal scissors are much softer than diamonds. Many other stones, like quartz, can also resist scratches. You might damage a real diamond if done incorrectly. It does not confirm authenticity, 100%. Better alternatives. If you want more reliable results, try fog test, breath test, water density test using a diamond tester device, professional evaluation by a jeweler. Important warning: scratching a stone, especially with tools, can damage valuable gems, give misleading results, reduce the stone's value. Final verdict. The scissor scratch test can help you quickly rule out fake stones, but it cannot confirm a real diamond. Think of it as a basic filter, not a final proof.